How to enable iMessage on iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. iMessage lets you send messages, photos, and more between Apple devices over Wi-Fi or cellular data without using SMS. In order to enable iMessage on a device, launch your Settings app. Now scroll all the way down and head over to the option Apps. Now from the list of apps, find the app message. Once you find it, open it. Now here you're going to find the option of iMessage. Make sure you have enabled for this option. Then click on the option of Send and Receive. Here you can select which email or phone number you would like to use for iMessage. After you select that, you can head back. Enable for these options as Send Read Receipts, Send as Text Message, and that's it. You are all set to use iMessage on your iPhone or iPad. If you see an error or iMessage is not activating, make sure you have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular. If this tutorial was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.